Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to online class. Dear students, I hope you are staying well and safe during these challenging times. I am Musharraf Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Nong 5 Union, Jahanara High School, Madarganj, Jamalpur. Dear students, can you guess what can you see in the pictures? These are the pictures of libraries. So, can you guess what is our today's lesson? Yes, our today's lesson is paragraph. The name of the paragraph is School Library. Class 8, subject English writing part. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to listen information, ask and answer questions, write a paragraph. At first, we have to know what is a library. A library is a place where various kinds of books, newspapers, magazines, etc. are kept for reading. But what is a school library? A school library refers to a library which belongs to a school and provides the students with books essential for their studies. What is it actually called? It is actually called a storehouse of knowledge. Where and how is a school library housed? A school library is usually housed in a suitable place within the school boundary. What is the infrastructural condition of a school library? It is housed with doors, many windows. Is there any other infrastructural facilities? Yes, there are electric fans, computers, projector. How is it decorated? It is nicely decorated with bookshelves, almirah, chair and tables, and benches. But how are the books arranged? The books are arranged according to different categories like textbooks, Islamic books, storybooks, books on history, books of dictionary, books of geography, children books, ghost books, books on jokes. You can see the books on jokes. Map of the world, map of Bangladesh, newspapers and magazine, has any ICT facility in a school library? Yes, there may have Wi-Fi connection in a school library and it is used for online and latest publication of books. What do the students do in the library? The students read books and make notes in the library in their leisure periods. Who and how are benefited in the library? Students and teachers are benefited acquiring knowledge by reading the books in a school library. Who manages and looks after a school library? A librarian manages and looks after a school library. But how? He helps the students delivering the books at home, maintaining a register. What environment does exist in a library? A pin drop silence exists in a library. What is the feeling of students about the library? Students feel happy to have such a school library. Dear students, there is a complete paragraph about a school library. I am reading the paragraph. A library is a place where various kinds of books, newspaper, magazines, etc. are kept for reading. A school library refers to a library which belongs to a school and provides the students with books essential for their studies. A school library is usually housed in a suitable place within the school boundary. It is a storehouse of knowledge. Generally, a school library has a huge collection of books on different subjects and topics. However, most of the books in a school library are textual. It also has books on different categories like storybooks, books on geography, books on history, children books, books on jokes, ghost books, dictionary, maps, newspaper, magazine, literature, science, commerce, travel, biography, and so on. It is nicely decorated with almirah, chairs, bookshelves, tables, and benches. There are almirahs and shelves where books are well arranged according to their subjects. Besides, there may have electric fans, computers, and projectors, Wi-Fi connection in a school library. The students read books and make notes in a library in their leisure periods. They are greatly benefited to acquire knowledge by reading books in the library. A librarian manages and looks after the library. He helps the students delivering the books at home, maintaining a register. A pin drop silence exists in the library. By studying regularly, a student can do well in the examination. In addition, a student can also borrow books from a school library by showing his or her library card. No school is complete without a school library. Students feel happy to have such a school library. Hence, it is considered a part and parcel of a school. Dear students, this is the complete paragraph about school library. you should learn and you should write in your own language about a school library or your school library. The next part, it is time to give you homework. Dear students, now I am giving you homework. Our today's homework is think about your school library and find out what things are available there and what things are needed to make your library more effective. Then write about the things. Dear students, you should think about your library and you should think what things are available in your library and what things are needed to make your library more effective. You should write about the things, and it is your homework. No more today. Thanks for watching video. Dear students, I will take another class in another day. Till then, goodbye.